Welcome back to Vintage Stitchery Archives. Today we're flipping through the WorkBasket magazine from September 1972, a time when macrame was all the rage, crochet ponchos ruled the wardrobe, and every homemaker had a dozen projects on the go. Inside this issue, we'll find clever crochet patterns, a few delightfully retro recipes, and those unforgettable ads that promised big dreams for just 50 cents and a stamp. It's a cozy peek back into everyday creativity when crafting wasn't just a hobby, it was a way of life. So grab your yarn, pour yourself a cup of coffee, and let's turn the pages together. This issue marks the shift from summer brightness to autumn warmth, the perfect time to start something handmade. This month's canning recipes will make you feel like you need a basement full of jars. If only we could smell the paper and yarn from that era. It's pure nostalgia. I do love how every pattern back then assumed you already knew every stitch by heart. These magazines had faith in their readers. Moving on to the homemaking section, we've got sewing tips, a few mending tricks, and the signature WorkBasket spirit of make, do, and mend. Nothing went to waste. It's amazing how much inspiration fit into just a few pages, and all without a single YouTube tutorial. September 1972 reminds us that creativity never goes out of style. Who else remembers ordering patterns by writing to a P.O. box? No clicking, just patience. I always love these old ads, everything from mail order patterns to miracle cleaners and vitamin tonics. My favorite line, send 50 cents in a self-addressed stamped envelope. Imagine the patience it took to wait for your crochet leaflet to arrive. These classifieds were like the Etsy of the 1970s. You could buy everything from quilt kits to beauty secrets, all by post. Well, that wraps up our visit to September 1972. So many sweet little glimpses into how creative home life used to be. Before Pinterest, before YouTube tutorials, just imagination, yarn, and a stack of WorkBasket magazines. If you enjoyed this flip through, don't forget to check out the earlier issues I've shared and let me know which decade you'd like to visit next. Thanks for joining me on this trip back to the crafty side of the 70s.